When it's time to start solid food, it can feel a little overwhelming. What foods to start with? When to start including proteins? How much? Because your baby's needs change from one day to the next, Béaba created Babycook Smart, the first culinary expert connected to your baby's specific needs. Age, tastes, allergies, food intolerances. Create your child's profile in just a few taps. Choose one of the tailor-made recipes for your baby and follow along with Babycook Smart. Easily measure quantities thanks to the integrated scale. Babycook Smart automatically calculates cooking time and mixes to the ideal texture according to your child's age and development. Whoops! A little bit for you to taste. Babycook Smart, connected daily to your baby's needs. Béaba.